type video for you. Super weird, super random, but I made these Keep It Cleaner cookies last week and they were so good and I just thought I had to share them with you guys. I am going to be kind of changing up the recipe today, so it's not the exact recipe, but I will tell you the exact recipe. They are super easy to make, they're gluten-free, they have no added sugar, and they're pretty much good for you. They taste amazing, which I was kind of surprised about. Not gonna lie, I just thought because they have no sugar in them, they're not gonna taste like cookies, but they're actually so good and they're perfect for like that late night snack type of thing. I crave sugar almost every minute of every day, so they have been super handy for me. If you don't know how to make these cookies, then please keep on watching. The weather is so crazy outside, so if you can hear wind and rain, that's Melbourne for you. Alrighty, so what you're going to need is the cookie mix, some coconut oil, some organic rice malt syrup. I actually don't know what this is. I'm guessing, I'm not even gonna try and guess. I tasted it last week when I made these and it kind of just tastes like honey and like golden syrup mixed together, but from like the back, there's not actually that much in it. You'll also need water. It has dark choc chips in it, but I'm going to add some extra ones. And I'm also going to add cacao powder. This is like a good for you cocoa powder. It tastes pretty good. I've had hot chocolates with it and it's a bit bitter, but it's good for you, so I'm not going to complain. On the back of the box, it has exactly everything that you want to put in it, how long, instructions, everything, like a normal baking mix. This says to put dates in it, but no, I don't like dates, so I'm not going to do that. First step is to preheat the oven. Just adding a tablespoon of cacao powder. It was like a heaped tablespoon. I might go a little bit more, just YOLO. I'm going to add a tablespoon of desiccated coconut. A heaped tablespoon again. One, might go a little bit more as well. Alrighty, you need 2 tablespoons of the right malt syrup. Now adding my half a cup of coconut oil. I melted it down in the microwave, so that's probably what you could hear in the background. Now I'm gonna add my 4 tablespoons of water. Alright, now that the mixture's become more like a dough type consistency, I've washed my hands and taken my rings off, and I'm just gonna start kind of rolling them, kind of just working it with my hands. I almost forgot to add our extra chips, so I'm just gonna put a whole bunch of them over. Alrighty, now that I'm happy with that texture of the mix, I'm going to line a baking tray. I'm gonna scoop kind of a tablespoon of mixture and roll them into little balls. And so now we wait. And they are done. Cool, let's grab them out of the oven. Let's do a taste test. So good. I'm not gonna eat all of them now. Thanks for watching this kind of different type of video from me. If you want to see how I cook or bake anything else, please let me know. I'll leave the actual recipe and my recipe in the description box down below. So don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like this video, and to leave a comment below of what you want to see next. And yeah, see you in the next video, guys. Bye. If you want to see any thanks for watching this video. Ow, that's hot. I'm gonna eat them all. I'm going to eat them all.